Hello, Karen.
Hello, Chad.
I can't copy my seatmate's answer on a paper exam due to my poor eyesight. Any recommendations on how can I improve my eyesight without using any glasses?
It is so simple. Just put your finger on the far side of your eyes, then pull it outward until you hit that sweet spot.
Okay, I will try it now while watching my favorite show.
Now I shall eliminate you. Look out!
It was an accident. An experiment gone crazy.
An accident is wetting your bed.
Hello, Karen.
Hello, Chad.
I tried it and it worked. Thanks to you, now I can pass my exam without reviewing.
Wow, that is amazing.
Thank you very much, Karen.
No problem, Chad. You're very welcome.
Okay, goodbye.
Okay, bye.